the whole issue of hearing my voice too much again, I'll be quiet. I won't be loud.
Natural log, yeah.
Plus some constant.
Well, do you see on the other side?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Thank you. Now, if at all possible, and it doesn't make your solution look too nasty, solve for y in terms of x if you can. By the way, I meant you can. You said A?
E.
You said square root. X squared plus 1? You guys there? Where? A is just another funky name for
E to the C.
Plus or minus.
Thank you.
Oh.
Are we okay with our math skills? All right.
So,
You guys tell me if not. Tell me to show more steps.
do you want us to write the where and equals everything?
At this point, yeah, here's why.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to try to find a particular solution.
Okay.
And where I plug 0 for x and e for y, doesn't matter where, but it will change what the constant looks like.
Okay.
That's why. Be careful.
Where did you get the plus or minus?
Okay. E to the ln.
Is that okay, you guys?
Yeah.
Is that what I had before? Oh, thank goodness.
I don't see where the plus or minus came from.
Undoing the absolute values.
Oh. Okay.
Come on, you guys. I'm here to attack. That's okay?
Yeah.
Can I sneak around, see if I can do a better job with the black? Ooh, I like it. And again, so you guys, I don't waste our time. May have been a while, but I remember making up some examples. I just don't remember what they are. How about something like this? Let's see how this turns out. Looks good to me. Do you think it's separable? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like if I really wanted to, I can massage it so y prime is completely isolated on the right-hand side. I can rewrite that side as a product of two functions, one solely in x, one solely in y. So let's separate. And it's separating. Don't I have the integral? Of, I don't know, you guys tell me.
Y
Over
natural log y dy
equals.
the integral of x squared divided by in parentheses x squared plus 1 and parentheses raised to the 3/2 power dx.
I like it. I don't know, you guys pick a side. What side do you want to start with?
Left side.
On the left-hand side, what do you want to do? What's natural? Well, no pun intended, cheapers. Anybody? I'll be quiet. Well,
Separate.
if you're going to make a u substitution, then we'll probably let u be
Natural log.
which means du is simply going to be a 1 over y dy. But that means diving in into the integrand's position, I've got to something, how about just 1? Put the y off the side. I got 1 over the natural log of y, but the natural log of y is a piece of cake. However, I do have a remaining factor of y upstairs. And y has another name of,
E to the ln.
oh, but shoot, now I'm gonna replace dy with y du. But again, another name for y is, so I said, I guess on the left-hand side, I really just simply have an e to the 2u over u du. You guys, can we skip the right-hand side for a few minutes? Let's just carry this a few more steps. So, I maintain that when it comes to what you see on the left-hand side of the ink board, I don't know, any suggestions? Oops.
Can we go back and just try,
Can you start separating?
integration by parts?
And if you want to use integration by parts, what would you set u to be?
Natural log of 1.
But I can't, because I think with integration by parts, u and dv have to be factors in the integrand's position. So if you're to use integration by parts, I think you're kind of restricted and allowing u to be the natural log, excuse me, I misspoke, u to be 1 over the natural log of y.
Did I not say that?
Yeah, you said natural log of y.
Oh, sorry.
But would that work nicely?
Oh.
I mean, it looks nasty to me, I could be wrong.
You put 1 over natural log.
Good ideas. Anybody?
Ask the professor.
No, I'm asking you.
You do a trig sub?
Oh, you're looking at the right-hand side, I
Yeah.
agree with that. I'm talking about
Okay.
the left-hand side.
Oh.
And we'll get there.
Integration by parts?
All right, if you're going to try integration by parts at that stage down there, I mean, what would your u, or should I say w, be, and what would your dv be?
You could let your dv be e to the 2u, and
Hold it, that's what you said. Let me just carry it along. If I can carry it along, cheapers.
You want w to be e to the 2u.
And w would have to be,
1 over u,
which means dw would be,
negative 1 over u squared.
but this is going to be in the other integrand. And I think what it does for me, neglecting coefficients, it just raises the exponent downstairs by 1. I think it's looking worse.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Try it the other way around.